What's going on? Why'd you call me back in this late?
Listen, we found alien technology.
What? When? Where?
It was about 40 minutes ago. At your desk.
At my desk.
We've contained it for now, just
What?
in case it's dangerous.
Man, that's my new gaming laptop, the M18. I was looking for that.
All right, haha, but seriously, we gotta figure this out. There's no way a laptop could do what that thing could do.
You used it? Of course I did. I played all of my favorite games on it.
Then why did you tape it off? What made you think that this was extraterrestrial technology?
Because it's impossible, Travis. A man-made laptop with screen clarity and unreal levels of detail like that.
Yeah, it's NVIDIA ray tracing on an 18-inch QHD plus screen.
And then there's the fact that it can perform like my full-on PC at home, yet keep itself cool, preventing throttling.
That's a feature of the laptop.
No.
It's called cryotech cooling. It works.
And just look at it. Look at its sleek, round design. It's like straight out of a sci-fi movie. Stop
That's
it.
just Alienware's new design, bro.
I knew it was a.
That's the name of the company!
I knew it.
It's the M18!
The Alienware M18 gaming laptop.